Hey everyone, enjoy the show. From Nancy Clever, how are you? Hope you had a nice weekend. I am on my way to Arizona to see my folks, my family, my daughter for my birthday. So I am excited. What we have here is a really nice offering. This is a 1930s new old stock, never been used before. Garcia Grande Cigar Lighter Retail Display. So the way it works is the box of cigars sat in this retail display. And once you purchase a cigar, you would come up, press the button, and the filament would light up for your cigar. So if you are a cigar aficionado or just want something cool for your collection, this might be for you.
How you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GNC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.